And then I'm gonna go up to her and I'm gonna be like, hey, I got your graduation invitation. I have it with me. I'll be like, we tried to make it down, but unfortunately we couldn't.
That's not mine.
That is yours. So we decided to steal your truck and build it instead, if you're okay with that.
So we get these letters all the time of people either wanting us to go to a birthday party, go to a wedding, go to a graduation. You have like invoices here, but we have one where we had a whole opportunity that is probably gonna work out pretty good, so we're gonna go steal her truck. So this is Mia, she's got a 2021 F-150. Her parents stole the truck and she doesn't know about it. She's in college now. We got invited to her graduation. We couldn't make her graduation. So we actually had a badass opportunity with some sick brands on board with this thing. We got the truck in already. Her mom dropped it off last night. So we'll go see. Banker's already tearing into this thing, but we have a whole plan for it. We got lift kit, wheels, tires, more moto, hooked it up completely. So new headlights, new grille, new taillights, new third brake light, like basically everything Morimoto's got for this truck is going on it. It's gonna be fucking sick. So we'll see where Banker's at on it. He's ripping it apart right now. We're hoping to have it done by the end of the week. That way we can surprise her while she's getting out of class or something. We're just hoping the schedules are gonna work out, but here it is. Is this a 6-inch kit or 6.5? I need you to talk louder because there's no way this is gonna pick you up. I hate you. Is it coilover? Doesn't look like it, no?
It's the snap ring kit. So like,
do you adjust the height?
Well, it's either a 4-inch or a 6-inch.
Oh, okay.
But you know the old ones where they had just like the straight up strut body?
Yeah.
And you put so it's got a strut body, but it's built by Fox.
Oh.
So it's basically a Fox strut without paying coilover prices.
Oh.
Or having coilover problems.
That's kind of fancy. Other than that, is it pretty much same kit?
Same base BDS 6-inch kit. It's just instead of the spacers that they normally use, it's got the Fox lift struts and upper control arms.
So it should ride very good.
It should ride significantly better than this SUV with a bed would ride normally.
How's it going, guys? I'm filming you, filming me.
I'm filming you too. What's up, man?
How you doing?
They're awesome, man.
Jared, nice to meet you guys.
Jared,
Hi.
Wow. Look at that. That is sick. Oh my God.
Is she gonna freak?
Yeah.
That's everything she wanted to do.
Oh my God.
I need you to focus on Chris the entire time. headlight's broken.
What you got going on here? We're making movies. What the f are these? What the f are these? So what are you doing? You're missing headlight wires, so you're deciding to just rewire the whole truck's rock lights instead?
Yes.
I kind of made him.
I mean, it's good use of your time. Now you can't watch Farm Sim all day.
Yeah, we don't have the harness for the lights. She had a bunch of rock lights under the truck, so the whole under the truck looks like this.
Yeah.
Like all the way down the frame.
pile.
Yeah. So I asked Banker if we could get some black label lights and put those in instead and just wire them correctly while we wait for the other lights to come anyhow, which you can clearly see the difference.
You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. And we're doing how many? 12?
12.
How many did she have? 8?
12.
Oh, she had 12?
Hey, listen, we're not hating though, because you got to do what you got to
Pretty
do.
impressive that she had it done.
Oh my God.
Are you Dustin?
You Dustin? Oh my God.
What's up, man? Good to meet you.
Holy.
What are you gonna say?
Check, baby, 1, 2. Crikey. And here we have a wild banker putting the tire on the truck. He did a bloody great job. What are they, 14 wides? Yeah, the tire's fucking beefy. It's a real square setup, but I think it'll look good.
This is like my favorite part of everything. Once you set it down on the ground for the first time. Like, cause you can just never tell. They're so you can put actual spikes versus having their,
So you just rotate it depending on...
yeah. Yeah. They look good.
We're bringing this to her tomorrow, aren't we?
Tomorrow. Oh yeah, come. Oh, what do you need? You need a drink? You're thirsty? Oh, he needs a wheel and tire. So we're gonna meet her mom at 1:45. She has people that are coming up there as well. So like her mom and some others, a couple of her friends.
So
I think.
does she
are gonna
think
be there.
everyone's going just to visit her and then we're gonna
I don't
have a
think
truck?
she knows they're gonna be there at all. I don't know. She's been coordinating with her friend at school, like when is her last class, blah blah blah, yada yada. I think she's gonna be absolutely stoked. I hope.
I mean, this thing looks f***ing sick now.
Yeah.
All blacked out
Yeah,
everything.
but what if she's like, put it back?
Do all the things that I know is right. Look for the ones that keep me up at night. Hold the turn before you lose the grip. Before you let it slip.
Her mom keeps telling me to send her pictures of the truck, and I told her no, that she had to wait as well. And now we've just found out that we can't technically park near the college, so we're gonna find a different place to meet up tomorrow.
Could her mom take her like to lunch or something?
I don't know. And you know, when we reached out, we have really awesome vendors who are super on board with this kind of stuff. You know, so when we reached out and kind of told them the idea and the plan behind it, they were just like, oh, absolutely. So, and you know, they help us to make cool stuff like this happen.
When you meet her, you're gonna know that it was the right thing to do. Trust me.
We'll back the 5 trucks in here. We'll let you go get her, come back. And if you park somewhere where you can just walk in front of us, all of our windshields are tinted, so she won't know anyone's in the vehicles. Mia? Are you Mia? This Mia? Are you the same Mia?
Wait, yes?
Huh?
Yes?
Just landed on my desk. I wanted to say sorry we weren't able to come to your graduation. We tried super hard to come to your graduation,
Okay.
but we did steal your truck, and we've had it for the last week. And I wanted to bring it back to you in good fashion, if you don't mind.
Wait. No. Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
That's not mine.
That is yours. No, it's yours.
What?
Do you love it or what?
Yes?
Huh? We were gonna come to your graduation and just bring you wheels and tires, but we literally couldn't make it.
No, because I literally put an order in online and they sent me an invoice and they canceled it within an hour. Wait. No, I pulled up and I was like, those gotta be custom offsets trucks. And I was like, what are they doing here? Like, it's happy hour. What?
There's some other people here too. We got a whole group of people. So I've been working with your mom for probably since your graduation. We were actually going to come. I'm not lying to you. We were going to show up, but everybody was busy. Nobody could show up at the time that we needed them to. So I kept working with your mom, and I had her somehow sabotage your vehicle and take you off of being able to track it. But anyway, so TIS hooked you up with some wheels. So they got you 24x14s, the 560Bs. Yep, Versa tires. They hooked you up with a 33 14.5, so a square setup with their RT model. So we put an exhaust on it too.
What?
Yeah, we put an exhaust on it as well. So AWE hooked you up with an exhaust, which is probably the only good sounding exhaust for a 2.7, if not one of the best sounding exhausts for a 2.7. We tried to take that off because it's hideous and very poorly done, but we couldn't get our wrap guy to come fix it in time. So tail lights, headlights, the grill light, the third brake light, that's all Morimoto. Again, TIS, and Versa tire for the wheels and tires, AWE for the performance, and for the exhaust side of things, no, the thing looks sweet. And then BDS, obviously we did a BDS 6-inch coilover kit. But yeah, no, this thing's sweet. It looks great. It came out looking pretty damn awesome.
This is awesome.
A lot of people love your badges, by the way. Like, we've had 3 people say they want the badges.
Really?
Yeah, they like them. I like them too.
Actually bought those.
I know, that's what he was telling me. Yeah, they're sweet. You gotta be a little bit careful with it. Stay away from drive-throughs, stay away from car washes.
Go on and see if you can knock off the dust, yeah. Shine it up, rev it up, and let it run, yeah. It gets a high riding off into the sun, yeah. I got a heart like a truck. It's been drugged through the mud. Runs on dreams and gasoline, and that old highway holds a key. It's got a leg pulled down when it's sleeping. Lord knows it's taking a hell of a beating. A little bit of love is all that it's needing, but it's good as it is tough. I got a heart like a truck. Go on and see if you can knock off the dust. Shine it up, rev it up, and let it run. It gets a high riding off into the sun. It gets a high riding off into the sun.
It was a perfect storm, so it worked out.
That's awesome. Thank you guys so much. Like, I'm at a loss right now. This is my dream right here.
I never stay in one place too long. A dirt road singing me a siren song. I gotta find a field. I need to spin my wheels. I gotta